Hello everyone, I'm Susanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the very slim strap for the shoulder bag or crossbody bag. And I'm now crocheting the chains, foundation chains. I'm going to make a 175 stitches with this crochet hook size. And now I made 40. I'm doing I'm marking every 20 stitches, and this is 40. This is the second one. And 1, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Is it correct? And before 60, I mark with the yarn thread. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, now 60. But I better to count by 4. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, oops, yeah, 80, and marked. And I'm going to crochet 175 stitches. Actually, I tried 175, but it wasn't enough for the length that I want, so I increased 10 more stitches. So actually, I did 185. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, and 180. And 5. And now let's start strap. So this is 185, chain 1, and starting from the second stitch, make a single crochet, so into every stitch please make a single crochet. You can use back bumps also, but it's up to you. Alright, so see you at the end of this row. Okay, it was a little bit harder to explain with black yarn, so I'm gonna show you with the blue yarn. And let's make a slip knot first. Okay, then let's make a chain until the length you need. Maybe like this. After reaching the length, chain 1, pull it tight and into the second chain. So skip the first chain into the second chain. You can use the back bump or upper loop or whatever. Make a single crochet. For the beginners, it's easy to pick the upper loop. So make a single crochet into the next stitch. Make a single crochet. Insert, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. This is a single crochet, so please make single crochet into every stitch to the other end. This is very simple pattern, so a simple stitch, so you love it. Single, 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 into the stitch, into the every stitch, to the end. It is almost finishing, so let's do it together. And this is the last stitch. Into the last stitch, you can pick only one loop or 2 loops at a time. So this is the first half, and I'm going back here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first make a chain 1. This chain to pull up a loop to the other side, so make a little bit long chain. Okay, usually we are going to use this loop to this stitch to make the other side, but today I'm going to use the lower side here. So we just crochet like this and upside down, and using the top loop of the first round here, and make a single crochet, and with the yarn end as well. So this is the first stitch, and into the next stitch here, pull up a loop. Before that, pull it. So try to make a longer loop on top, because it tends to make this shape. It's because of the shorter chain, and insert into the next stitch and pull up, insert, pull up, like this, insert, like this, get to the end. And if you like to whip the yarn end, pick the smaller hook so insert a few stitches earlier and pull through like this to the end. So easy, isn't it? Okay, let's continue. And this is the last stitch, so it insert into the stitch and pull up a loop and pull through. And chain one and into the same stitch and slip stitch to join. Okay, then chain one and fasten off. Maybe you can leave the other end to weave the yarn into the bag. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the stitch and this is the other side, and nice flat and half thickness and strong strap. So please enjoy this one. So I'm going to finish this. So please leave like this, so you can use you can weave the yarn end to the back like this. Okay, finally finished this one, and this is the light side and this is the long side. It is very easy, and even beginners can make this one. And you can see, maybe this one is better to see the details. And this is the long side. And you can leave the yarn end a little bit longer, so you can sew the handles to the back directly with using this yarn end. Okay, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoy this video. And see you in my next video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.